Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, RFI issued for armored recovery vehicles. The Ministry of Defense of the Government of India has unveiled its intention to procure 170 armored recovery vehicles, that is ARV, built on a tracked platform. This strategic move is poised to strengthen India's military capabilities by ensuring swift recovery and repair of armed vehicles under various challenging terrains and weather conditions. Next, MDS, that is Mazgon Dock Shipbuilders and Indian Navy forge collaboration for submarine technology development. Both of them has taken a significant step towards enhancing India's naval capabilities by signing a memorandum of understanding with the Indian Navy Submarine Design Group. The MOU signed on August 25, 2023 paves the way for joint efforts in the research and development of cutting-edge technologies and equipment for submarines and other underwater vehicles. Next, Indo-US air-launched program makes progress. Recent collaborative testing between the Air Force Research Laboratory and Indian-based aerospace startup New Space Research and Technologies has yielded results that corroborate experimental wind tunnel data. These findings align with wind tunnel modeling predictions conducted in India, making a significant milestone in the ongoing cooperative research and development agreement, that is CRADA, between AFRL and NRT. Next, BITS Pilani to get wind tunnel facility. BITS Pilani, Hyderabad is on the verge of a remarkable achievement in the field of aerospace research and technology. This installation is poised to unveil one of the country's largest wind tunnel facilities, a cutting-edge project that promises to be a game-changer in the realm of drone and autonomous flying vehicle research. Next, Zen Technologies bags more orders from MOD. On September 5th, Zen Technologies made headlines by securing a substantial rupees 123.3 crore order from the Indian Defence Ministry just days before. On August 31, the company received another noteworthy order worth rupees 72.29 crore from the Defence Ministry. These orders signify the trust and confidence that the Indian Armed Forces places in Zen Technologies products and services. Next, China says support India for G20 success after Xi Jinping cancels visit. China on Tuesday said it has supported India in hosting this year's G20 summit and it's ready to work with all parties to push for the success of the high-profile global conference in New Delhi this week. Next, Bharat G20 invitation fuels rumors India may change name. India was buzzing with speculation over rumored plans to scrap official use of the country's English name after a state-issued invitation to the G20 summit referred to it as Bharat. The government of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been working to remove lingering symbols of British rule from India's urban landscapes, political institutions and history books. But this could be the biggest move yet. Thank you.